for you, Santa.
Materialistic kids today.
Hi, honey. Are you ready for breakfast?
Come on, Henry.
Breakfast.
Oh, hey, wait a minute. What are you doing?
We aren't opening Christmas. That may not be what you think it is.
Does it have your name on it? Maybe
I
it's
don't
for
know.
Blake.
Maybe it's for Grandma.
Okay.
The kid got me.
Come on.
Does it say you? Show Mommy.
The kid
Wait, what does it say?
got mine.
It says to Patrick. Did Santa say he was going to come here? And did he?
That's Santa.
No, to have
so
candy
tricky.
bun.
He is so
To have
tricky.
candy
Yeah.
Hi,
Did he
Henry.
bring you a bike?
Well, I guess it's to him. I didn't even look at the tag, Daddy. I just got up this morning and had to get breakfast.
I knew this.
You knew it? Now, how did you know?
Say, Grandma, it was the only thing I asked for.
No, there was